This year 2020 came very fast for everyone, and it means a lot of changes in our lives. As a big family, a unity, we are all facing big changes, especially our planet. But also financially, politically, and areas that need our attention. Now, more than ever, we are more responsible for what the immediate future holds for us. Let's not leave others to decide for us, to think and feel for us. Let's not let others do our job. Get informed, pass on the information, and act today. Don't sit on the fence. Make a change. It's your future.